Hi. You talk for the camera? What's their name?
What's up? Huh?
Hi, guys.
Oh, girls.
Oh, girls. Hi, girls. Hi. You coming to me? Oh, my. She's coming to me. Oh, my God.
She's a little flirt.
Hi. Hi, honey. Oh, my. She is a die. How much you have to pay for?
I paid my sister paid $650 for her.
Okay.
I paid $750 for her. Yeah.
Where'd you buy her at?
I got it from a breeder over in St. Louis, St. Anne.
Do you have the number?
Guy and Carol Field.
Huh?
Guy, I don't have their number on. This is years ago. That's Guy and Carol Field.
Mm-hmm.
That's their name. They probably I don't know if they're still alive because they're pretty old couple. They might still be alive.
Right.
They ran a rescue center for abused birds and neglected birds.
Right.
They did their own breeding and shit.
Okay, so they maybe still alive. And you don't have no way I can contact them.
No, I don't know their number.
Oh my God, my guy wants one of these birds so bad. He does.
Yeah. But they I mean, it's just we got them when they were babies, you know.
What's the name of the species? Cockatoo?
No, you don't want cockatoo.
No.
They are loud. It's really it depends on the bird. These the green wings, they're more laid back. You know.
I don't know how old they really are.
This one here, I can't get her to sit still.
Ah?
She will not sit still for anything. And I drive a truck over the road, you know, so they go with me.
Oh,
She's all over the place.
that's so awesome. I wish you had the contact information. You write their name down? I can Google them. Maybe they'll pop up. Look, baby, I can't wait till you come home to show you this video. Oh, he just crapped.
Good.
That's the active one.
It's Carol Field. It's just Carol, Carol, Field, Field.
Okay, thank you, sir.